Hello, Oakhill. What's your score today? I certainly hope it's a 5 and that you and your families are doing really, really well. My score is only a 4 because I'm not able to be with you in person. It would be a 5 if we're able to do this as we would normally do at school at assembly. These sure are interesting times, and it's weird to think that we've actually been back at school for almost 3 weeks now, without actually being back at school. It sounds even weirder now that I say it aloud. I think it's a problem. I think I've been spending too much time under lockdown. I do have to say that you have all been amazing in the way you've adapted and managed this change to a new way of teaching. We are all super proud of you. Your teachers and I could not be more grateful or appreciative of the hard effort and the enthusiasm that you've shown during this time. If it is feeling a little bit strange or even frustrating, please don't feel too bad. It feels like that for many of us. Please remember to thank your parents for the incredible work that they are doing in supporting you through this and for the hard work that they are putting in. Your parents have a lot to think about at this time, and I want to ask you to make sure that you support and encourage and assist them wherever you can. Thank you also to those of you who have acknowledged your teachers, who have put so much work into making sure that all that you do online is as interesting as possible and that you are engaged and enjoy the experience. This week we celebrate Freedom Day during lockdown and Workers' Day when most workers aren't able to go to work. Although this is very strange, it is perhaps a good time to remember how much we should appreciate our freedom and how much we should appreciate those who do things for us. Please take a moment to be grateful for our country and for our homes and for our families. Many people are not able to experience lockdown in the comfort of a lovely home and with loving family members around them. Please think of our leaders at this time who have the toughest of jobs. I'm proud of our President Cyril Ramaphosa and his team, and I am very grateful for all the hard work that they are putting in at this time. To our essential service providers and healthcare workers go our sincere thanks for all that they are doing right now in managing the COVID virus, and they are really on the front line of this battle. I'm also proud and grateful to everyone who has shown kindness and care to others at this time. I know many of you and your families are doing just that. While we remember those who do things for us, I hope that we will think about how we can help. I'm sure that many of you have been helping out at home, and helping out is what we have to do right now, and we need to do it more than usual. We should be using our at-home superpowers to help out in whatever way we can. Maybe even discovering new superpowers. Who knows? By the way, my at-home superpower is washing dishes, but that's our little secret. My sources tell me that many of you have got some amazing superpowers, such as gardening, making tea, doing the laundry, helping out with the cooking. These are amazing, and I'm so glad that you are learning new skills as you go along. When I meet you in class or on a Google Meet, or hopefully when we get to chat, please will you share your superpowers with me. And if you've yet to discover your at-home superpower, you've still got time. Remember, you can do something for others, and it's important that you do. Also, remember that an at-home superpower has to be used to help other people. There's a challenge for you. Good luck. By staying at home, you have been giving and helping in many ways. You have been helping us manage the threat of the COVID virus, and you have been giving of yourself and of your effort, not only in your schoolwork, but I hope at home in supporting your parents as well. We may have to wait some time before we return to normal, but I want to ask you to be patient, both with others and with yourself, and to remember to show your appreciation to your parents and those who help you. Don't forget to thank others for what they do. Remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay at home. And until we are able to meet, I wish you well, and I trust that you'll continue to enjoy your online learning experience. Keep up the great work. We are super proud of you, and we are enjoying this knowing that you are giving it a full go. Well done.